Hey bosses, so I know I'm looking type crazy right now, but I wanted to show you this new wig that I purchased. So this video is not sponsored. I went and bought it with my own money. So let's just get right into it. I purchased hair from Glitzzy Hair, and I think I did a review on Glitzzy Hair way back when my camera footage was not the best quality. I'll link it down below if I have one. I think I do. But I got this from Glitzzy Hair. They're located in many locations. I know they have one in the Bronx, Brooklyn, and in Jamaica. I know they have some other ones. I'll leave their Instagram and all that down below. And this is super cute. Like, I love the packaging. Like, it's crazy. So, I already opened it and stuff, but it came in this packaging. And they have an online store as well, but I wanted to go in and look at the lengths and all that. And I know they have good quality. So the hair has this net around it. And this is a closure wig. I'm not into frontals because the size just don't stay down, as in my last video on the hair. I think it's up already. But I just went in and got this that's already made, and I didn't want to make it. I didn't want to do all that. I was kind of in a rush. So this is the hair. I think this is a Brazilian body wave, if I'm not mistaken. If not, I'll leave the link down below. But this is Brazilian body wave, and this is actually a 18-inch, and this is a made wig. Like, it's 3 bundles and a closure. So this is what it looks like, and it's gorgeous, gorgeous. So it is a 5x5 closure, so you get a little bit more party room than a 4x4. I want to try a 6x6 or a 7x7, but I feel like I might as well have a frontal. But I'm going to see how this goes, and maybe next time I'll get a 6x6 for a 7x7. I just don't like the ear tab part, but this is how the lace is looking. If you can see, it looks very good. Are the knots bleached? The knots are kind of bleached, but you could go in and bleach it more if you want. I'm not sure. They might be lightly bleached, or maybe they're not bleached at all. I can't even tell. And on the inside, sorry, this is getting crazy, it has 2 combs on the sides of the closure. No, 2 clips at the side of the closure. And it has a comb in the back, and I never use any of these because I feel like it tugs on my natural hair. And this is what the inside of the cap looks like, and it has adjustable straps at the back, and it also has the elastic band, which I love, so you could kind of like wear this glueless. But this is super cute. Like, it's body wave. I'm gonna wash it and maybe pluck the closure a little bit and make a part and all that. But I just wanted to stop in and show you what the hair was looking like. I already know their hair is good quality. I used their hair back in the day, and I just been not wanting to invest in a good quality wig. I've been buying these cheap ass wigs that you wear it and then you forget it. But I wanted to spend money and invest in like an everyday wig, and maybe I'll color it and all that good stuff. But I'm gonna show you how it applies just looking like this. But all the info will be down below, and then after this you'll see me plucking and doing whatever I'm gonna do to this wig. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm here looking all crusty, about to do my hair. I was going to bleach it and all that, and I decided to pull out the camera real quick and show you how I do it. So I'm using the Superstar 12 Volume Cream Peroxide Developer. I got this from the beauty supply store. This is the one I had. I heard 30 is a little better. This one is going to take a little slower, but I'd rather my knots be not as bleached than too bleached or over bleached. And for the powder lightener, I got the Clairol Professional BW2, also from the beauty supply store. And you mix it together to get like a thick consistency. I didn't show you how I did it, but I mixed it already. So the consistency you want is when you pick it up, it doesn't easily slide off, like still like it's hanging there. Like you want it thick, and then you just apply it to the closure. So I have my wig right here. I'm about to show you up close and personal, but I got my wig on my styrofoam head inside out so I can bleach the knots on the closure. So let's do that right now. So you just want to like kind of like press it in, like you don't want to swipe it too much. You just want to tap it so it doesn't bleed through. And I want to start off at the hairline first because that's what you're going to see first. So you're just going to tap, tap, tap in. And then I especially want it down the middle part. So I want to make sure I have enough for the middle part. And then you're just going to take the rest and just lightly press it, like lightly press it over the entire thing, just in case you want to part it a different way. So my hair is already moisturized. This is what the unit looks like. I had it wrapped up to lay down the hair. And then last night, I didn't show you, I sprayed on this Sally Hansen Airbrush Legs. This is a medium glow. People used to use this a little while ago to like tint their lace because I don't have a natural lace tint. So that's what I did, and I just have it on this napkin so it wouldn't like bleed through. So I'm gonna just take this off. And I haven't cut the lace, I left it on because you never know. And this is what the wig looked like. See, it's tinted a little bit just to give it some color. So hopefully this looks good. I'm gonna just tighten the adjustable straps in the back. And I'm gonna apply this to my head and see how it looks. And it does have the adjustable band, so I'm just gonna put this around my head, put this towards the back. I don't usually use the comb, so I don't really need to use that. Flip it over, and it looks pretty good. Hopefully it portrays on camera. And now I need a hair clip. I never have a hair clip. And this is the hair in its natural state. It's almost dry. So I'm gonna just use these clips right here just to pull the hair back. Well, before I do that, let me fit this to my head, because this is a closure. There's nothing really on the sides, so if the wind blows, nothing's gonna be. There's clips on the side, and I'm gonna try the clips today. I normally don't use them, but that's what the side looks like. And this one has a clip too. That's extra protection just in case. And I'm actually gonna brush the hair back and then clip it. I may fast forward this because it's self-explanatory, but so I'm just gonna take the Glitzzy spray and freeze it on the closure and then blow dry it. So I'm just gonna spray the hairline. So it's already kind of set already, but I want it to dry a little bit further, and I want it to be laid. So I'm gonna take this elastic and put it around my edges if I can untie it. So I'm gonna let that set for a bit while I style this hair. So I was gonna curl my hair, but I don't want to put heat on it right now. And since I have a little bit of time, I'm going to just put some flexi rods in it and then show you how it looks. So I'm detangling it. Of course, there's a little bit of tangling because I've been manipulating the hair, but overall there hasn't been much tangling or much shedding. So I have a whole bunch of flexi rods right here. So I'm going to flexi rod my hair. And I don't have any product in my hair. I'm gonna just spray in this cream detangler spray. It kind of, you could use this as a detangler like once you get out the shower, or you can just use it to calm frizz. So it's a Suave Professionals cream detangler spray, and it's with natural shea butter and pure coconut oil, and it detangles on wet hair and calms frizz on dry hair. No parabens, no dyes, color safe, and it's also good for natural hair. I got this from Target. It was on sale. I'm gonna just spray a little bit through the hair, especially on the ends, just to tame the frizz a little bit because the hair is kind of big. I think this is like a body wave. So I'm gonna further detangle it and then flexi rod. And you see, as you put water or wetness, the curls come back to life. But I'm gonna just put a couple flexi rods in there, not too much. And I'm gonna use this size flexi rod. I've had these for years, got it from the local beauty supply store. And this is an easy way if you don't know how to curl your hair and you just want effortless curls.